Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix external drive stuck. Chapter 1. How to fix external drive stuck from maintenance. To start, enter maintenance in the search box, click on Security and Maintenance. Now click on Maintenance and you can see the real-time status of the drives. Chapter 2. How to fix external drive stuck checking drive. To start, open File Explorer. Here, right-click on the drive and select Properties. After that, you are going to go to the Tools tab to click on Check. Here, click on Scan Drive and you must wait for it to finish an analysis. Chapter 3. How to fix external drive stuck from PowerShell. To start, in the search box, enter PowerShell. Click Run as administrator, click Yes to confirm access. Now in the PowerShell console, you are going to execute the command on the screen. Hit Enter and wait for the command to complete. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 4. How to fix external drive stuck from console. To start, enter CMD in the search box. Click Run as administrator, click Yes to open the console. After that, execute the command sfc/scano, press Enter. You're going to wait for the system file system scan to complete to fix errors. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.